Remodeling 360 is brought to you by Design Tech Remodeling, building a better tomorrow for you and your family.
Imagine the possibilities. A state-of-the-art kitchen, fabulous new bath, or inviting lower level, all designed with you in mind. It's time to bring the possibilities to life with Design Tech Remodeling. And here to tell us more is Nicole. Hi, Nicole.
Hi, Lori.
Nicole, why don't we start out by explaining to our viewers how Design Tech Remodeling differs from other remodeling companies?
So we're an interior design remodeling firm. We've been in business for 24 years. We are predominantly women-owned and family-oriented. So we help homeowners in the entire process from start to finish.
Design Tech Remodeling is also affiliated with NARI. What does it mean to be a NARI member?
NARI is an organization. The Milwaukee chapter is there for the benefit of the homeowner as well as the remodeling companies, and they hold us to a higher standard.
So for anyone looking to remodel, why should they choose Design Tech Remodeling for their next project?
Our level of expertise. We spend a lot of time with the homeowners making sure each project is unique to their style. As you can see in this beautiful kitchen, we won 2019 Best in Tour of Remodeled Homes. And each year we submit multiple projects that win awards. And this year too, we've won the Regional Cody Award through NARI organization as well.
That's fantastic. Thanks, Nicole.
Thank you, Lori.
Give Design Tech Remodeling a call today or visit them online at designtechremodeling.com.